Welcome aboard this beautiful 1982 Trintella 42, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Trintella 42 is an impressive, solidly built yacht and is a rare find and has been meticulously cared for and upgraded by the same owner for 43 years. Whether you have ambitions to explore the world's oceans or to go cruising closer to home, this spacious, sturdy yacht with excellent sailing characteristics may be just the boat for you. The Trintella is a well thought out and executed cruising boat design, blending uncompromised build quality, safety features, and excellent sailing characteristics with its elegant accommodations. This vessel is an outstanding blue water cruiser for long-range cruising or comfortable dockside living. When you step aboard, you'll notice the spacious and deep cockpit, designed for comfort and protection, along with the wide side decks with a practical layout, making maneuvering safe and easy. Maneuvering forward, the clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the windlass and ground tackle, with a deck access sail locker and chain locker in front. Moving aft is safe and easy, and the deck is well laid out and has oversized deck hardware and blocks along with a custom traveler. The boat has been equipped with a 4-spar roller furler boom, making sail handling easy and safe. This blue water vessel's cockpit is safe and secure while at anchor and sailing. Behind the helm is plenty of seating and the space feels secure. There is an easily viewed Raymarine chart plotter, instruments, and autopilot controls, which are all mounted in a nav pod at the helm. There is easy access to the Fisher Panda generator and storage under the cockpit seat. Additional Raymarine instruments are mounted above the companionway for easy view from anywhere in the cockpit. Control lines are led conveniently back to the cockpit to cabin top-mounted electric winches. The companionway is wide and open, with beautiful teak and plexiglass hatch, and doors are beautifully finished and maintained teak. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable with easy entry on the wide steps. Once below, you're greeted with a warm and inviting teak interior. To port is the Galley. Any cook would appreciate this large and efficient L-shaped galley. It has ample storage for food and utensils and more than enough counter space to prepare multi-course meals. The 3-burner stove and oven is under a custom countertop that lifts and provides access to the stove. Additionally, the custom dish and cup holders has increased the overall galley storage area. The refrigerator and freezer utilize efficient and reliable sea frost units. The navigation station is to starboard, featuring a chart table with hinged lid for storage underneath. The nav station includes Raymarine chart plotter, VHF, ICOM SSB, and additional electronics. The main salon is well illuminated and richly furnished in teak. It takes full advantage of having a tall headroom and wide beam. The result is a living room that's perfect for entertaining guests. The salon features 2 spacious C-shaped settees, with the port side serving as a dinette and the starboard side having a smaller removable table. Both settees have storage under and behind and teak cabinets over. Moving forward, the forward cabin includes a Pullman berth with an opposite-facing hanging locker and a seat. There is ample storage space and additional drawers below the berth. The owner's head is in the forepeak. Together, the forward cabin and head offer luxurious livability for extended stays. The aft head is located conveniently to the cockpit. The head offers a sink, toilet, and shower. The spacious and comfortable aft cabin has plenty of storage and offers comfortable and convenience with its sizable berth and storage. Engine room access is from the aft cabin and under the companionway. The engine and engine space is clean and has been meticulously maintained. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the Trintella strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort and can take you anywhere you dream of going. To book your appointment to view the 1982 Trintella 42, contact Little Yacht Sales.